Hi, I'm Doug Sidney, back here with you at Horton in Roseville, Minnesota. With two fan pilot options, the K32 Dual Pilot replaces a variety of KYSOR-style fan clutches. Here's how to install it. Now, we've already removed this KYSOR-style fan drive and set it up in a vise. It's important to make sure this journal bracket in the back is clamped tight. Removal of KYSOR-style drives varies by application, so refer to the vehicle's service manual for complete instructions. First, we'll need to remove the clutch from the hub. To do that, apply air to the clutch so that we can align the access holes on the clutch with the Allen bolts. Once aligned, remove air pressure, like this. Next, remove the 6 Allen head bolts with a 5/16 inch Allen wrench so that the clutch and coupler can be removed from the hub. Inspect the pulley bearings for play or roughness. We recommend replacing the pulley bearings each time the clutch is replaced. Now time to install the K32 Dual Pilot clutch. First, we'll clean out the air shaft and install this new plastic coupler. Now, we need to make sure the O-ring on the new fan clutch is lubricated. Now, we just align the slots on the fan clutch and the coupler, then place the fan clutch on the hub. The next thing is to align these mounting holes between the fan clutch and the drive hub. We'll install and torque these 6 Allen head bolts to 45 foot-pounds or 61 Newton meters. If your fan is a 5-inch Pilot, install the 5-inch Pilot adapter and fan studs. Then torque to 133 inch-pounds or 15 Newton meters. And that's it. You can now install the fan onto the fan drive. Torque 2.56 inch Pilot fans to 26 foot-pounds or 35 Newton meters of torque, and 5-inch Pilot fans to 15 foot-pounds, which is 20 Newton meters. Thanks for watching. For more information and instructional videos, check out HortonWW.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.